Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on multiple niches in Canva. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a logo on entertainment niche. So our dummy company name is Zen Entertainment, and in which we create a logo for this company. This is a dummy company for practice. So let's start it. And you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can go to the entertainment Facebook pages, Instagram pages, and ask them about your service, or you can go to entertainment websites and try them to convince that you can make a good logo for them, and you can target offline markets. So opportunities are limitless. So let's get started. So I'm going to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very handy and easy to use. It is easy to learn. You can easily learn in some time. But if you want to know completely about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and go to the playlist section. Here I completely upload the playlist which is called Canva Designing Course, and after watching the course I surely say that you almost know everything about Canva. So let's move towards our video. I click on create a design. Here I search for the logo, and 500 by 500 pixels, mostly used low template for size for logo. It is loading. So I click on elements, and here I search entertainment, and let's see. Let's see. We have to choose a good element, so we have to work hard. Yeah, this one is good. So I place it here, and after that I click on, so I add a text here, and after that I click on this and I write entertainments. Decrease the size, change the font, and let's put it here. After that decrease the size, place it here, and we have to change the background color. Yeah, it's look good. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.